Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best folding bikes in 2020. To see the price and more information about these folding bikes, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Dahon Vilano folding bike. We are starting our list with the Dahon Vilano folding bike. It is a folding single-speed bike with a rear coaster brake. It has a magnetic latching system that holds the bike together when folded, and the lightweight chromoly frame weighs 24.2 pounds. Also, it is a universal folding bike, which enables you to ride the bike on flat streets in urban areas. It features a minimal design, with no V-brakes, no brake levers, and no cables. Moreover, the brake requires less maintenance, and performs better on wet roads. Another advantage is that, it offers a single speed with gear inches of 64 centimeters. It is equipped with a double lock system, that ensures every latch that holds the bike together is a secondary locking mechanism to ensure utmost safety. At number 4. We have the EuroMini folding bike. The EuroMini folding bike comes with rust-resistant coated 7-speed cassette and chain to make travel on roads and hills a breeze. The Dura layer is attached to the frame with an aluminum hanger, which helps absorb impacts and lessens the chance of damage to the derailleur. Also, it has a responsive Shimano 7-speed grip shifter integrated into the handlebar for shifting on the go with ease. It offers an easy single folding aluminum alloy stem, and the handlebar can also be rotated to best adjust to your hand position while riding. The seat post height can be adjusted to provide you with your most comfortable riding position. Moreover, the adjustable alloyed clamps, so here are the seat post, handlebar post height, and handlebar brake lever orientation plus aluminum alloy. The brakes and lightweight design provide the bike with the stopping power you need when called upon. At number 3. We have the Schwinn Loop folding bicycle. The Schwinn Loop folding bicycle has a super low stand over an aluminum frame that allows for easy access, while the large fold-down rear basket allows for maximum storage. Also, it features full wrap fenders, Springer seat, and swept-back handlebars for comfort. The broad upright handlebars adjust from 37 to 40 inches high and provide a 1-speed design that allows for mechanical simplicity and low maintenance. Moreover, it has 7-speed Shimano grip shifters with a Shimano rear derailleur for quick and smooth gear changes, which will come in handy on windy days and on city streets that is more hilly than they look. The folded size is 29.5 inches by 29 inches by 19 inches and features a kickstand and durable steel hinges. At number 2. We have the Vilano Urbana single-speed folding bike. The Vilano Urbana single-speed folding bike makes us a superb commuter. It features a lightweight alloy design for easy carrying, and this single-speed folding bike requires minimal maintenance with its coaster brake and 1-speed gear system. There are no brake cables or shifters, and almost nothing to maintain or adjust. At only 21.5 pounds, this is one of the lightest folding bikes available. However, the unique quick-release bracket system makes this aluminum folding bike easy to set up and break down. Additionally, it offers an extra 2-foot-long Velcro strap, which is excellent for holding a folded bike together. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Montague Boston single-speed folding bike. The Montague Boston single-speed folding bike is a full-size single-speed folding bike featuring 700cc wheels for ideal riding in the city. This bike also includes a flip-flop hub, so the rear wheel can operate as either a fixed gear or freewheel setup. The Click's quick release and the patented folding system convert the folding bike from full size to trunk size, in less than 20 seconds. Plus, it features a 42x16T single-speed, with a drivetrain that centers around flop hub, and allows for freewheel and fixed gear riding. It has a chain guard integrated into the design, to help keep chain grease off clothing and lakes. Moreover, the brakes are Promax dual pivot calipers, and there's a Montague branded saddle, with the cutout mounted on a 27.2mm alloy seat post. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.